Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got this beautiful large vintage Coach carrier bag to share, and this bag was just recently put up in the Etsy shop, so if you're interested in looking at it, I will of course link the listing below in the description bar. But anyway, this is, like I mentioned, the carrier bag, and the style number I believe was 9800, and I believe it was made in the late 80s, and as you can see the color is black. And it was also made in the US. So I have it in my light box because it is a larger bag, so I'll go ahead and try to show you a 360 of the bag now. So as you can see, here's the front. It does have a shoulder strap, and here's the side, and here's the back. It does have a pretty large slip pocket here in the back, so that's pretty convenient. Could definitely put some stuff back there if you want to be able to just grab it quickly. And then here's the other side. It does have an adjustable strap, as you can see, and here's the front again. And it does have, as you can see, two tab with turn lock closures, or two tabs I should say. And here's the inside. It's got two front inside pockets here. They're pretty large in size, and then I'll show you the inside. So I'll try to get the inside in frame, but it's got a pretty large interior, as you can see, and then it's also got this pocket that pulls out and has a zip closure up here, and then as you can see, here's the creed. Says it was made in the US, and then here's the serial number. So that's the carrier bag. I forgot to mention it also has this top handle on the top, so you could obviously carry it by hand or by shoulder with the shoulder strap, so it's nice. It's kind of got those two options. It's a little bit more versatile that way. And I was going to mention that I think this bag would be great for travel, like if you don't want to bring a full suitcase, but you just want a nice sturdy leather bag that will hold up well and fit quite a few items. I think this is a great option. It's definitely a collector's piece as well. So like I mentioned, I will link it below in the Etsy shop if you wanted to check it out. The link will be down below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.